Hi class, this is Muhammad Day and this is my science cell project. So sit back and enjoy. As you can see, there's an animal behind me, and this animal is a panda. He is going to be an example of our science cell project. This panda right here has billions of cells in him. And as you can see, he's pretty angry at me because I forced him to be up here. And it's a pretty big drop, so yeah, if he falls down, he's dead. I know what you want. He hasn't had his breakfast yet, so maybe that's why he's so grumpy. Here you go, sit. Good boy. Here you go. Let's leave him so he can eat his breakfast. And let's go present. And this is my cell. And this is my cell membrane. The cell membrane is the impermeable cell. Is this impermeable membrane surrounding the cell. And inside the cell, there are organelles. And I'm going to start with the Golgi apparatus. It finishes modifying proteins, fats from ER and prepares them to be sent to other parts of cell or out of cell. And next to it, we have the ribosomes. They are made of RNA and protein, usually found in endoplasmic reticulum. This red stuff is the ribosomes, just saying. So in here, we got the smooth ER and the rough ER. I'm going to start with the smooth ER. It produces fats and it releases toxins. Rough ER assists ribosomes in creating proteins. Again, this is the ribosomes. Yeah, so ribosomes over there, ribosomes over here. And as it says for you over there, it says they are usually found in reticulum. And this is what they mean, the rough ER. So next to it, we got the centrosome. It's the sun-looking thing in the cell, the animal cell. It's an organelle near the nucleus of a cell that contains the I don't know how to say that, and from which the spindle fibers develop in cell division. Next to it, we've got the lysosome. It gets rid of viruses and bacteria. It matches cell membranes. It also digests food particles. Sorry, I wrote an I there. I'll have to fix that. Alright, so next to it, we got the vacuole. It's a storage area, contains pigments and proteins and waste. It's also a defense system. It's a little bit like the lysosome because this keeps the viruses and bacteria away. This thing is a defense system. It keeps bad stuff away. Next to them, we got the mitochondrion. The powerhouse. It converts energy from food. It's like regular energy house in the city. So right here, we got the nucleus. The nucleus is three parts: the nuclear membrane, the nucleus, and the nucleolus. The nuclear membrane is the membrane that encloses the nucleus. The nucleus contains DNA of the brain of the cell and regulates all functions. Nucleolus, a small dense spherical structure in this nucleus of a cell. I got an example for you here. Let's say the nucleus is like the government of the cell, right? So right here I build a government. That's the best government I could build. So let's say these are guards. These are guards of the government. And in here we got the mega mind himself, the nucleus. He controls everything, from telling the cell what to do, to when to grow, to what not to do, to what to do. So yeah, it controls everything. And I got one more example to tell you guys. In here, let's say that this rail right here, it goes around the whole cell organelles, right? The nucleus tells a thing what to do. It tells it where to go, and what to do, and when to go. So it goes round and round, and and it regulates stuff. It's just like when you eat food, and the food goes down your throat to your stomach and all that kind of stuff. It's pretty much like that. The nucleus is just like the brain. It's just like your brain controlling your body. It tells it when to stop and when to keep going. So yeah, that was my project. Thank you guys for listening, and have a good day.